Welcome back. How you guys doing? So Christmas and New Year is pretty close by, which means 2020 is finally getting over. You guys, this is a time to party, to celebrate. Just in your room, dress up and take pictures if you want. And for that, I got you. Here are 10 outfits that you can wear for the next Christmas or New Year party, or just sit at home and chill and take pictures in. So, hope you guys like it. So, for the first outfit, I decided to go with the big old red sweater, and I stole this sweater from my mom's closet and it fits me really well. Like, the oversized look is just the perfect kind of oversized. I paired it up with these glam earrings, which again are my mom's, and decided to pair it with these black comfy culottes. This whole look is very comfortable, yet it looks so pretty. Going with another red sweater look but glam this time, I have a cold shoulder turtleneck which I paired it up with this plaid skirt that I recently got, and to accessorize them I just put on your plain old silver hoops, and I think this outfit looks really pretty. It's like this dark academia but like glam for Christmas. If you don't have a plaid skirt, you can go with any skirt that you have. I paired this outfit with golden hoops and this denim button up skirt that I own, and I think this one looks very cute too. I put up stockings underneath to keep me extra warm, so yeah. So I decided to make another look with the black culottes, and this time I paired this up with a polka dot top that I have. The whole polka dot theme is back again this season, and I think it looks very glam and pretty but not so overdone at the same time. I paired them with this earrings and I think they look very cute. So I got this turtleneck sweater dress last year, and honestly it's so amazing. It's a midi length, keeps you warm, and at the same time you get to wear a dress in winters. Honestly, the best thing ever, best invention ever. A lot of times I see these floral funky blazers and I often think, would you really wear them to work? But instead of wearing them to work, you can actually wear them for like a party look with jeans and like a t-shirt. It's actually very comfy. At the same time, it looks like you've put in a lot of effort and you look super stylish. So yeah, I think this is best paired with heels and like a really comfy, classy party look. It's not very cold where I live, so I love pairing skirts and sweaters during winter. I added some stockings underneath this to keep it more warm. And for the accessories, I decided to go with these pearl earrings. I don't know how to describe them, but this is how they look like. So yeah, I think this is a very cute, comfy, and easy to recreate look. Going ahead with the mixing and matching, I decided to pair up the polka dot top with the denim button up skirt, and yeah, the stockings underneath but you can't see them, so. Fun fact, you can actually wear all your summer dresses during winter by just wearing turtleneck underneath it. Just there you go. This gives off a very 90s look to me, so to go ahead with the theme, I decided to wear hoops with this outfit. Don't know why, this gives off a very Phoebe from Friends vibe and I just love it. So I pulled a best dress with this one. So my mom gave me this top which is actually pretty loose and I can't ever wear it just like that. So I decided to pair it with a turtleneck and this button-up skirt, and honestly this looks very cute. And to accessorize it, I went with these earrings that are again my mom's. So yeah, this is like an unconventional look. You could also use all your strap tops of summer to use them in winters like this, and it's honestly very cute and like a party look. So yeah, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one, but like, share, subscribe.